good morning. Good morning. Good morning to everyone. Can I get a response to that? Good morning, everyone. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good morning to everyone. My name is Henry Simons. I am the Assistant City Manager of Operations for the City of Columbia. And of course, it is my pleasure and privilege to welcome all of you as we celebrate the grand opening of our fitness courts that you see behind me here at Greenview Park. Today is a special day. It's another indication of our commitment as a city to ensure that we have options that assist our citizens in living a healthy lifestyle. Not only are we celebrating Greenview Park today, we're also celebrating the completion of the same fitness court that you see behind me at Finlay Park. So we are grateful for our valuable partners and stakeholders the city has worked with to bring this project to reality. I want to thank our mayor who is with us today, Daniel Rickerman. I want to thank Councilwoman Tina Herbert, who represents District 1, and in his absence, Councilman McDowell, who represents District 2. Of course, we have our second fitness court installed at Finlay Park, so I wanted to make sure that we acknowledge him as well. Also want to acknowledge our city manager who is with us today. Thank you for being here and your continued support and leadership as we move our city to the next level. I also want to thank our National Fitness Campaign organization for their support, for bringing this important program to our community, and for recognizing the need to support healthy lifestyles for everyone. This is a proud statement. We are proud to join a growing network of more than 500 healthy communities and schools across the country. That's exciting. That's very exciting. Thank you so much. Today we are joined by our partners from Prisma Health, you will hear from shortly. This project would not be possible without their generosity and their continuous commitment to the health and wellness of this community and our entire city. We are so grateful to have partners like Prisma Health. Thank them so much for being here and their contributions today. We are pleased to share that we were able to fund not just 2, but 4 fitness courts, which will be located in each council districts for our citizens to enjoy. This would not be possible without the general donation from Prisma Health, a grant that we were awarded from the National Fitness Campaign, and in-kind work that was done by the City of Columbia. I want to let you know today that these fitness courts, with this investment, with the donation from Prisma Health, the grant that we received from the National Fitness Campaign, this is an investment back into our community of almost $1 million. And let me just say to you, thank you. Let me just say to you, why is this important? This is so important to our communities. This fitness court is a wonderful example of partnership across public and private sectors to help break down barriers to accessible community programming. Not only that, living a healthy lifestyle and taking preventative measures can help reduce the risk of developing chronic yet preventable diseases. So we are encouraging everyone, just like our seniors are here today. Come on, let's give a shout out to our seniors from Greenview today. Thank you all for joining us today. We know you're on the inside doing your exercise, but so we want to encourage everyone to walk, jog, and cycle to our new fitness court and spend a little bit more time outside every day. Along with the support of Prisma Health, we are grateful for the opportunity to enjoy outdoor fitness for years to come. This is a significant contribution from our partners, and we are truly grateful. So we will follow the program as outlined. I want to give you a lineup of who you'll hear from. So first, you'll hear from our mayor, Daniel Rickerman. He will come up in just a moment. You'll hear from Councilwoman Tina Herbert, again, who represents District 1. You will also hear from Anthony Jackson, who is the president of Prisma Health Baptist Hospital and vice president of External Affairs and Accountable Communities. Mr. Jackson, you are very busy. So please help me welcome our mayor, Daniel Rickerman.
Let's give another round of applause to Henry. He's done an incredible job heading this up. And first of all, I want to thank everybody for being here. This is pretty special because when the National Fitness Campaign reached out to me and said, we have an opportunity, if you can partner in your community, we can help grant some of the money to bring this type of fitness plaza to your community. And the first thing I thought about is, well, I got to have at least 4. I got to have one in every corner of our community, so we're the right partners. And when you look at the overall push for our change, we're talking about blue zones. We're talking about making sure that we're providing services across. What is a greater thing than have this outdoor fitness program that allows us to utilize in such a beautiful atmosphere as Columbia, where we're outdoors 9 to 10 months out of the year? Why shouldn't we have something here that really promotes health? And of course, you know, after I looked at where's the first one go, well, where would the first one should go? Well, it should go to Greenview, where we have one of the most active places, not only with our seniors, but our tennis courts and people wanting to be outside. And it's a perfect fit as we finish this walking trail around to have this fitness plaza here. And then, of course, but we couldn't have done it, as Henry said, without Prisma Health. And we had an opportunity. I huddled up with our city manager, Miss Wilson, and I said, you know, Prisma Health wanted to do something to boost our community. What do you think about this plaza? And she was the first one to jump on board and say, this is the perfect thing to do, because not only does it give us an opportunity to provide something free for everybody, but it gives an opportunity for all levels of fitness to enjoy. But it ties in the art, the wellness, and it is an asset and an enhancement to each of our communities. And so we're so excited to have it here today and look forward to seeing this be utilized. I saw our fire folks out there working it in already, so we know it's going to get utilized. And I know the seniors can't wait to get on it. They're lined up, ready to roll. I can tell. I see them. But this is the kind of stuff that makes me excited about our community. This is the type of things that we're trying to do together, all of us together. It's not just the city, but partnerships with like Prisma Health, making sure that we're doing the outreach, that we're improving the quality of life, but the longevity of our citizens. Because I'd sure like to celebrate a whole lot of 100-year birthdays with our community, and I think it should be our strive. But the partnerships, as we continue to move forward, is going to be the key. The key is public-private partnerships, engaging all of us, and all of us are part of that. We constantly talk about the piece of the puzzle. What piece of the puzzle are we? As we know, puzzles connect multiple pieces together. So let's continue to work on that puzzle, and let's put it all together for the betterment of this community. And thank y'all so much for being here.
Good morning, everyone. The first thing I want to do is make sure that we give credit to Mayor Rickerman. I'm so sorry. Mayor Rickerman for making the absolute great choice of Greenview to represent District 1. I think he did good. I like to give credit where credit is due. As a multi-sport athletic and community facility, Greenview is already one of Columbia's absolute best parks. It currently has 9 tennis courts, multiple baseball fields, a multi-use gym, walking trails being developed, playground equipment, and a water park that I can tell you my family personally enjoys. This new fitness court brings 7 new stations, just 7 new stations, where citizens can get a full workout in 7 minutes. I think we can all do 7 minutes. 7 minutes. This new state-of-the-art fitness court is yet another reason that we as North Columbia citizens can take pride in our community. And it's also so important to us addressing some of the issues that we're constantly addressing and making quality of life better for our citizens. I always say health is wealth, and if you don't feel well, then you aren't able to make the wealth and have the lifestyle that you want to live. And so I really want to thank our partners as well, because the city cannot do it all by themselves. I know everyone expects the city to do everything, but we need the resources, we need the partners, we need the institutions that care about the communities that they are placed in. And so I want to thank you, Ms. Jackson, for your assistance as well. I'm looking forward to it, and it also adds variety. What I have learned, y'all do different kinds of things, but so I don't really dance well, so I don't go to Erica's course. You know, I don't do the dance thing. Pickleball, we're trying to get into it, but the whole point of having a variety is there is something at Greenview Gym that you can find that you want to do, and that's what I really like. It opens the opportunities, so that means everybody should find something out here at Greenview to do. Again, thank you, Mayor. Thank you, Mr. Simons, City Manager, and Mr. Jackson, for your investment. And thank y'all for coming out, because Greenview comes out strong. Y'all come out strong.
All right, I'm going to say great morning, not good morning. Great morning to everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm Anthony Jackson. I'm one of the vice presidents at Prisma Health, and I am so proud, not just professionally proud, but personally proud, to be here representing Prisma Health and our commitment to this community collaboration. Prisma Health has a talented team of clinicians, including physicians, advanced care providers, nursing, and specialists across every medical specialty. We do an extraordinary job caring for our community within our hospitals, doctors' offices, and other facilities. However, even with that expertise, this care is just one part of maintaining health. Health requires daily attention and personal commitment. We want to work with our community to help them improve overall health. We're pleased to collaborate with the City of Columbia to emphasize the importance of movement, something our clinicians stress every day. We're even more pleased to bring this opportunity for movement into the community, where it can be a part of your daily activity. We know people are most successful when they make healthy choices in their own communities. While we're proud to provide expert care, we would rather see people moving more, so maybe you see us a little less. That's real, okay? That's real. Everything Prisma Health does aligns with our purpose, which is to inspire health, to serve with compassion, and to be the difference. This initiative is a perfect example of that commitment. And with that, we understand that it does take a village. It takes a community, and we got the city. So thank you all so much. Let's have a great day.
Come on, we can do better than that. Let's give everyone another round of applause. I want to take a moment to, again, acknowledge our mayor, Councilwoman Tina Herbert, all of our council members. Were very supportive of this initiative and this project, so we're grateful. Again, thank you to our city manager. Thank you to Anthony Jackson, president of Pamela Health Baptist Hospital. Thank you to Robin Stelling, the Director of Community Engagement with Prisma Health. She's been following us throughout this process. Thank you so much, Robin. Absolutely. Tammy Epps is here, the Director of Media Relations for Prisma Health. She was here early. Thank you, Tammy. I see Regina Brown there as well. Thank you all. Lauren in the back. Thank you all so much for your support in making this a reality. We want to thank the entire team. They're not here, but we want to thank the entire team for the National Fitness Campaign for their contributions. Again, we received a grant from them as well, so they were instrumental in making this happen. I want to thank the Parks and Recreation leadership team, our interim director, Mr. Kenya Bryant. Where's Mr. Kenya Bryant? Kenya Bryant here. Thank you, Kenya. Our deputy directors, Tom Beasley. Where's Tom? Tom, raise your hand. Tom Beasley in the back. Deputy Director Doug Elliott over here behind me. Hattie Bing waited in the back. Thank y'all so much for your support. Todd Martin, our city landscape architect, has been instrumental in this. There's Todd there. Thank you, Todd. I also want to, last but not least, I want to thank Miss Tracy Truick, who is the chair of the North Columbia Civic Club. And let me tell you, Tracy will let you know directly what she desires, for sure. But I'm very thankful for her passion. I'm very thankful. They desire to have some fitness equipment here at Greenview, and they made their voices heard. So I want to thank her and the entire North Columbia Civic Club, along with our seniors and everybody that participates here at Greenview Park. We appreciate you. We acknowledge and we acknowledge your voices, and we're thankful for you as well. Let's give them a hand, please. Yes, ma'am.
I wasn't going to say anything, but, you know, sometimes I still have to say something. So the health portion, I think we really emphasize today, and that for obvious reasons. There's another element, as I see our police chief here and our fire officials. When public spaces are activated, they're also safer. And so this is just, as he would say, a force multiplier. So Greenview knows I always see you, and I always hear you about the safety element. So all of it's really intentional, and I just wanted to call out our public safety folks, because without them, you know, these things wouldn't work. And so I expect them to be utilizing the equipment as well.
And I did not acknowledge Teresa Jeter, who is the new park leader here at Greenview. She's not new to Parks and Recreation, but she is our park leader, so I want to recognize her and her staff that are here at Greenview every day. Thank you all so much.